Most Mac users are paying for apps they don't need. And the wild part is, there are free tools sitting right on your Mac's App Store that do the exact same thing, sometimes even better. So I spent the last few weeks going through every popular free Mac app out there, and I found five that actually changed how I work every single day. But here's the thing, nobody tells you. Most lists like this just dump app names on you and call it a day. This one is different. I'm going to show you exactly what each app does and why it matters for how you actually use your Mac. And the first one on this list is not what you'd expect. It's called Elephas. Most people have never heard of it, but once you see what it does, you'll understand why Mac users who use it don't go back. Here's the problem it solves. You save notes in one app, PDFs in another, research somewhere else. And when you need something fast, you're digging through 5 different places to find it. That's just wasted time. Elephas fixes that with something called Superbrain. You connect it to apps you already use, Apple Notes, Obsidian, DevonThink. Drop in your documents, your PDFs, your saved articles. Elephas reads all of it and builds a personal knowledge base right on your Mac. Then you just chat with it. Type a question and it pulls the answer from your own information and shows you exactly where it came from. But here's where it goes further. Elephas has a workflows feature. You can automate multi-step tasks, pull key points from a YouTube video, search your saved files, then export the result as a PDF, a presentation, or even generate images, all inside one app. And it runs completely offline. It has inbuilt local AI models built right in, so nothing needs the internet. Your data stays on your Mac, fully private. It also supports OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini if you want those instead. Starts at $9.99 a month. Link is in the description. Now, the second app works completely differently. But if you work with a team or manage projects, you're going to want to know about it. It's Notion. Notion is a workspace app. You can use it as a note taker, a project tracker, a knowledge base, or all three at the same time. It adjusts to whatever you need. The way it's built, everything is a block. Text, tables, databases, calendars. You just drag and drop them wherever you want. It's clean, it's flexible, and it looks good. It also lets you work with other people in real time. You can share pages, leave comments, and see changes as they happen. The free plan is solid, and if you need more, the paid plan is $10 a month. One honest thing worth knowing. Notion has a learning curve. It can feel like a lot at first, but once you get used to it, it becomes one of those tools you use every day without thinking about it. The next one is small, but the people who use it call it one of the best things on their Mac. It's called Dropover. Here's the situation it solves. You're moving a file from one folder to another. You have to keep both windows open at the same time. You drag, hover, wait, hope you don't accidentally drop it somewhere wrong. Dropover removes all of that. You just shake your cursor while dragging a file. A small shelf pops up. Drop your file there. Now go wherever you need to go. When you're ready, drop it at the right place. That's it. It works with files, folders, images, links, and text. And it has built-in actions like resizing images, creating zip files, and sending through AirDrop. One-time purchase, $8, no subscription. All right, this next one is for people who want to get faster at everything they do on their Mac. It's Alfred. Alfred lives in the background and does nothing until you call it. One keyboard shortcut, and it's there. You can search for files, open apps, look something up on the web, copy old text you forgot you had, and automate tasks, all without touching your mouse. The latest version also has interactive views that make daily tasks even smoother. The base app is free. If you want the full workflow automation features, there's a one-time power pack for $39. If you spend most of your day on a Mac, Alfred is the kind of tool that pays for itself in the first week. And the last one on this list needs no introduction. But the desktop version does. ChatGPT. Most people use it in a browser tab, but the Mac app is a different experience. One keyboard shortcut, Option and space, and it opens from anywhere on your screen. No switching tabs, no searching. You can upload files and talk through them. You can take a screenshot of anything on your screen and get instant feedback. There's a voice mode for when you don't want to type. For Plus users, it even connects directly to your code editor. The free plan works for most people. Paid is $20 a month if you need more. So those are the 5 free Mac apps worth actually using. Elephas for your knowledge and AI needs, Notion for organizing your work, Dropover for moving files without the mess, Alfred for working faster, and ChatGPT for getting help with almost anything. If you only pick one from this list to try first, start with Elephas. Most people don't know it exists, and it handles the one problem every Mac user has: too much information and no easy way to find it. The link is in the description if you want to check it out.